my name is Margaret, and I work with Devour Spain here in Madrid. And we are in La Casa del Abuelo, or grandfather's house, and we're going to have their specialty, which is the gambas al ajillo. And gambas al ajillo is a really special dish. It's basically garlic prawns, but it's connected with the story of Spain and the story of this restaurant. So originally the restaurant started in 1906 serving bocadillos, or big meaty sandwiches. But after the Spanish Civil War, when the country was just devastated and the fascists win, and basically Francisco Franco, who is the dictator who ruled Spain for many years, he shuts down Spain's borders. And so the country is decimated by war, and there's terrible famine, and nothing's coming in, nothing's going out. But they invent this shrimp because there was tons of shrimp, and so the shrimp wasn't great, but they wanted to think of something special to do with it. So there was the shrimp, they cook it with a lot of garlic, some parsley, some olive oil, and a chili pepper, and gambas al ajillo is born.
And that translated to garlic prawns in Australia. Thank you, Margaret.
Thank you.